Welcome back to How to Health Happily, where today we're bringing you mouth-watering recipes that are both delicious and good for your health. Today, we're going to show you 4 amazing recipes using one versatile ingredient, chickpeas. Chickpeas are not only packed with protein and fiber but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. So, let's dive into these 4 easy and nutritious chickpea recipes that will surely satisfy your taste buds. Recipe 1. Chickpea Salad. Let's start with a refreshing chickpea salad. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. In a mixing bowl, combine the chickpeas with diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, chopped red onion, and fresh parsley. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Toss everything together, and your delicious chickpea salad is ready to be enjoyed. Recipe 2. Chickpea Curry. Next up, we have a hearty and flavorful chickpea curry. In a pan, heat some olive oil and sauté diced onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger until fragrant. Add your favorite curry powder and cook for a minute. Now, add a can of chickpeas, along with diced tomatoes and coconut milk. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the flavors meld together. Serve your aromatic chickpea curry with steamed rice or naan bread for a satisfying meal. Recipe 3. Chickpea Burger. Who doesn't love a good burger? For a healthy twist, let's make a chickpea burger. In a food processor, blend 1 can of chickpeas until coarse. Transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl and add breadcrumbs, finely chopped onions, minced garlic, cumin, paprika, and salt. Mix everything well and shape the mixture into patties. Cook them on a lightly oiled pan or grill for a few minutes on each side. Serve your chickpea burgers on whole wheat buns with your favorite toppings for a delicious and protein-packed meal. Recipe 4. Roasted Chickpea Snack. Lastly, we have a crunchy and addictive roasted chickpea snack. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Rinse and drain a can of chickpeas, then pat them dry with a paper towel. Toss the chickpeas with olive oil, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and a pinch of salt. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet and roast for 25 to 30 minutes until crispy and golden brown. Let them cool, and you have a nutritious snack that's perfect for munching on any time of the day. And there you have it, 4 incredible and healthy recipes using chickpeas. Whether you're looking for a light salad, a comforting curry, a satisfying burger, or a crunchy snack, chickpeas have got you covered. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and give them a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!